Greetings, humans. It is I, Kara, the human. Today I'm going to be looking at my fan art, apparently. The other humans from the surface draw of me. So let us look up me. Okay. Okay, let's start off with this. Yes, I wouldn't say that's how I look, though. Uh, okay, to be exact, let me name out a couple things that's wrong with this picture. First of all, the cheeks aren't even connecting to my face. Second of all, I'm gonna let you guys find out what the fuck is wrong with the eyes. Because I can tell you, one thing that's wrong with the eyes. Matter of fact, two things that's wrong with the eyes and the mouth. Just give it, a really close look. Okay, so what is up with all these, people making me think? What is up with everyone? Whoever draws these pictures always has to either have me with a heart locket, blushing, or either holding a bloody knife. What's up with that? Okay. First of all, I have never, ever in my life worn a flower in my hair. Second, look in the eyes. That's not completely red, that's green. What is up with the mouth? I can't tell if that's a mouth or lips. Third, where the hay is the green in my shirt? For instance, this one is pretty fucking cool though. But what is up? What is up with this? I don't even know what this is. What is this? Is this supposed to be some kind of... I have a flower in my mouth. What is... And what is this? Is this the Frisk version of me, Dora the Explorer? Okay, Alright, look at this again, guys. It's glitching. Alright, this one is pretty cool, I guess. No, just no. Oh my god, this one is adorable. Okay, this one is copyrighted again. Ready? Alright. Now, back up here. Alright. Alright, this isn't this bad. Let me point out a couple things wrong. Where are my pink cheeks? Why does it look like I'm about to cut the necklace I had for years that Azrael gave to me? Why is my knife glowing completely red? I get that I have that somewhere, but Toriel took it away from me because she said, "Oh my god, why do you have a red glowing knife, my child? It's too dangerous." And I'm like, "Mom, it's just my main weapon. You know how I have knives as main weapons." But, yeah, I almost have a glowing eye like the stupid bonehead. Look, if you was to cut off that part of the red in my eyes, it would look like I just had black eyes with dot in it. What's up with the eye? Sorry, guys. Just kind of having a bad day here. Yeah, I'm kind of sick. So I will be coughing a little bit in this video. I've been sick over my winter break pretty much. So, yeah. And yeah, I have hearts in my eye. I swear to God, Alfie has made this. Okay, I'm really sorry about the coughing, guys. It's just that I really am having a bad day here. And also, what's up with this one? No. I am so triggered. I don't know. No. Just no. No. How do people assume my gender? You can't just assume someone's gender. I could be a boy. Is this? What is? I'm legit choking. The cringe. Oh my God, the cringe.